Hey guys, I want to do a video real quick on my Honda Simpson pressure washer. It is a GCV 190, 300 psi, 2.5 GPM. Anyway, I've been having an issue with the oil leaking down the shaft. I removed the pump. There's all kinds of oil inside there. The little key was sticking up. I think what happened was it hit that rubber seal inside where the shaft is and damaged it. So what I'm going to do is just give you a quick tip on how to remove this. There's 3 screws that are up on top, 1, 2, and then one on the back, another one on the back side. I used a 1/2 inch and a 13 wrench and a one on the ratchet. Either one fits. Yeah, so pretty easy taking this off. Came off smoothly. What it looks like. So I'll flip this up, show you what the shaft looks like. I can muscle it with one hand. Hold on one second. Back to the picture. So that's it right there. Showing the flashlight. See that seal in there on top, right there. That's where it was leaking. And down there. Sorry, I don't have good lighting in my garage. But I'm going to remove that seal. I gotta figure out, maybe get a little pick or something. Pick that seal out. Then I'm gonna go down to my hardware store tomorrow and get a new one, replace it, and pray that fixes my problem, which I'm pretty sure it will. Anyway, let me get a pick and I'll be right back. So I grabbed my little pick. It's actually for my stickers. And then just put it up underneath, so you can see it right there. I was able to get up underneath this and then pull it out. It took a couple tries though. Before I actually took it off, I wanted to show you guys. And I'll just take it off with my fingers, possibly. Things tore up. Almost got it all the way out. Open it up a little better. Let's see if I can get it out from the back side. Ripping it apart. There's probably an easier way to do this, but of course. Oh, there it goes, I think. Oh, there it goes. Alright, and there's a little spring that goes in it. That thing was destroyed. Anyway, there it is right there. Clean that out. I wonder if that comes out too. I'll have to clean that up. Alright, here's that seal. Garbage. He's just eating up. Alright, well tomorrow I'm going to get myself a new one and get it in there, and I'll show you how to do that. Till tomorrow. Fun tearing down things again today. Honda pressure washer. Oh yeah, the shaft seal went out. Nasty thing, leaking oil everywhere. Change that out tomorrow and get this thing running. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Part in right here. Looking at it again with fresh eyes. This inside here, right there, still needs to come out. So, grab my screwdriver, try and get that underneath there. You can see it moving. Well, I noticed that. Anyway, there's that. There's the new one. So I'm just going to kind of wipe that down a little bit. Make sure there's no debris in there. Shiny and clean. I'm going to put the duplicate in. There's a flat surface, and then this will be your inside surface. Hopefully it goes in nice and easy. Give it a little finger push. Here that so I don't want to mess it up. That's not gonna work. See what I got in my little bag of tricks. This might be too big. Alright, let me see. I'm gonna find something that I can press this in with without killing my fingers. Come right back. Allen wrench. Just kind of work it in slowly. I might have muscled one side in a little more than the other. I don't have to pull it out. It's going in slowly. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. But this is my first time. I can feel it going in. Almost all the way down. All right. Well, that right there got it on. Now to put this bad boy back together. Alright, I'm going to grab my frame and set it on there, and the rest of my parts, and just over here. We'll finish this bad boy up. So I just wanted to guarantee that I had it in there, and I grabbed a 1/4 inch extension, and it fits perfectly in there. So I just kind of went around it and tapped it with my handle to make sure it was all in place evenly. I'm excited. I hope this bad boy don't leak no more oil. Alright, I put the frame up on my table here to make it a little easier on myself. Had to get my other pressure washer out over there. Clean this bad boy up since it had grease oil all over it. So a couple things right here. You have the little key that goes in there. I'm not sure if that's the proper name or not, but this guy, can't see. And that's going to line up right here. And then on the pump, you can see the slot for it there. And then when those line up, that allows this to spin. So I'm going to put that together. And then put some oil in, some gas. Get this bad boy running. See if I can't show you video after I get it together. Alright, let me see. I'm going to get this together and I'll come right back. Alright, so I want to show you real quick. And I'm not no pro, but this little key thing is a biatch in nice words to put in. So what I did, whether or not it's the wrong way or right way, I put the key up here and I grabbed some oil or grease. Sorry, I don't know why I keep mixing it up. Some of this grease, and I put it down in that hole right there, around the shaft, and where the key is. And the key seems to be sliding in pretty good, or staying there pretty good. And then just line them up. If I can do this with one hand. And then bam, I went right in. So now I'm going to put my 3 screws in, get this set, and then I should be able to get the oil and gas in. I just wanted to show you that it helped me out anyway. I'm not sure how other people do it. Alright, I'm going to get those screws in. Like I said, there's 3. There's like 1, 2, and then one in the back. And then I'll be back to you. One started. I made a mistake. I told you guys that there was one right here, but it's not up front. It's the one in the back right there, and then another one in the back over there. So line them up from the top. There's a hole there. I don't know if you saw that one. Hole back there where they line up to the holes on the frame. I was struggling to get in there. There's not even a hole in the frame. So that was my bad. Anyway, I wanted to show you that I made that mistake. So I got one set. I'm going to set the other 2, wrench them up. It's a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter. That's what I seem to be working with. And I will be back. Down. I just filled it up with oil. No leaks. See how this bad boy is when I fire it up. Show you ceramic. Dipstick. I was taught one time that when you check this so you don't overflow it, is that you're supposed to check it with the cap touching, not screwed in. As you can see right there, it's perfectly at the line. So, screw that back in. Hands are greasy. I know. How many of y'all are going to tell me, you're supposed to wear gloves? I know. I just don't have a pair right now. So this is the beauty. I'm going to get it off my table. Take it out front. Put the water up to it. I'm excited. It's my first seal replacement. Alright, let me get this on the ground. A moment of truth. Unfortunately, I got an old hose, so it wants to leak water, but so far, no leaks there. I'll turn this on, turn on the choke. Now, normally, if I wasn't doing the video, I would hold the trigger while I start it, but go ahead and pull start.